Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So just now my shift got over. You can see it's 6:15 and today one event is going on at Shinagawa, which is conducted by Tech Japan. So they are conducting an event in which they are calling all the Indian engineers, and that event is being conducted at Microsoft Japan building. So I'm going towards Shinagawa. Well, the time of the event was 6 o'clock and I left my office at 6 o'clock. So I informed the person that I'm going to be late because my office will get over at 6. Well, I don't know what the event is going to be about, what is going to happen there, but one recruiter told me to go there and experience because all the Indian engineers are going to come there. So I'm just going just to see what's going to be there. So I thought of showing to you also that how Microsoft Japan building looks like at Shinagawa. So just enjoy the tour with me. See, that's the railway track, and just now a train will pass and I'll show you. It looks very good and the view is very good. Let the train come. Well, while the train is not coming, see how the road looks like, right? It's very unique road, because I have seen maroon color but I have not seen black and maroon together. Black, maroon, orange, white. You can see that since the time is around 6:15, so sunset is happening, and when the train will come, I'm waiting to show you. If I wait for the train, then I think I'm going to be very late for the meeting. So let's see for one more minute, otherwise I'll go. So guys, I am not going to the meeting. I'll wait for the train first to show it to you, then only I'll go, because I'm not going to come here every day. This is very rare that I'm coming to this place, so I want to show the train to you and then only I'll go to that meeting or whatever you call it, event. Meanwhile, let me show you the view of this lake. And oh, train came. See, Tokyo monorail, that's the monorail. And that's the view of the lake. Finally the train came, and now I think I should run because I'm already very late for the event. If you see this building, Microsoft Japan building, Shinagawa Ward, it's showing closed, but because the event is happening, so that's for Tokyo City. See if it's visible for you. Oh, this lady is crossing the road when the signal is red. Very seldom, very rare I get to see this scene that somebody is crossing the road with the signal red. Either she is not Japanese or she is really in hurry. Let me follow the rules. I would like to say one thing, that thank you for giving the love that you gave to the video that I posted when Ku and Momoko went to Pacific Mall, Subhash Nagar. Today I saw 11,000 views, so very good response. So I hope all the videos get this much response, but I know it's not very much possible that every video will get like this. See, they're playing baseball, kid and a mother. You know, I am making a video, and I'm also not sure that when I reach there I will be able to show you inside or not, whether it's allowed to shoot inside or not. Maybe a little bit I'll try to shoot, but if I am not able to shoot, then let me tell you what happened after the event ends. Maybe he is going to the same event. He's running, but that is not Indian, so I don't think that guy would go to that event, because that event is for Indian engineers only. Oh my god, it's still showing 31 minutes and it's already 6:30. Oh, 20 minutes. Okay, let's go. I can see two Indians, but since they are not in formals, so they are definitely not going to that event, because that event is for professionals only, but they are in casuals. Central Japan Railway Company. See, Well, Shinagawa is a very, hi-fi area, and if you have been following my videos, then you must be remembering that my previous project was at Shinagawa only. So it's a very hi-fi area, like DLF in Gurgaon. See how beautiful it is. Well, now only 12 minutes is showing, so let's reach fast. See, if you remember, my last project was there, my company was there of my last project, previous project. So I'm happy to see that place again. See, people are going back to home after completing their shift. Very strong wind is blowing. Let me show you. And I reached the Shinagawa station. If you remember my last project, I used to come here. That's the station in Shinagawa. And I reached there only again. My favorite restaurant, wherein I could not eat the food. Remember? Yeah. So that's the Shinagawa station. From here I have to take left, and that's how people are sitting. So I hope you are also getting this update in Google Maps. Like if you are walking, it is showing like this. It's a 3D version, so it will guide you like this, how you have to go. Let me know in the comment section if you are also getting this update. Well, there is my Shinagawa station. People board the train in a queue. Nobody's rushing. Well, now only 3 minutes left. So this way is the building. Such a strong wind is blowing. So strong wind is blowing that it's difficult for me to walk. This is not the building of that Microsoft Japan. This is the Strings by Intercontinental Tokyo. So this is the hotel. So I am looking for Microsoft Japan building. See the moon. It's half moon. Where is the building? Have you seen Chennai Express? Where is the temple? Where is the temple? So I'm asking, where is the building? It says that you're arriving at Microsoft Japan Shinagawa Grand Central Tower 2, but I think this way. Yeah, I can see Microsoft. Okay. Meeting is at this building. It's not about Microsoft Japan. The meeting is at Microsoft Japan. Okay, so it says go to this side. So this is for Kuruma Yose. Like this is for cars. I think I have to go this way. So let me show you also how it looks like. Okay, this is Canon building. Okay. So let me go this way. Microsoft is here. Okay, I will go this way. It's on the second floor. Let's see Microsoft Japan, how it looks like from inside. Whether we'll get to work at Microsoft Japan ever, I don't know that. But let's see the building at least. The event is happening at 31st floor. See, they gave me this Shinagawa guest, Microsoft. So this is the lift lobby. This is like a 5-star hotel. So this lift is opening. So let's go inside this 31st floor. Whew. After the shift, my condition is like this. But let me go to the washroom also. Well, I came to the washroom and now I'm ready. Let's go to the event. Okay guys, so I have reached back my station. Sorry I could not record inside the hall, but yeah, I am going to share something regarding that meeting, that event, that is going to help you, I think. So there were 4 people, and if possible I'll put the link of those people, the LinkedIn link of those people, in the description. You can go and connect with them and ask questions regarding Japan and other things that you want to. So there were people from Microsoft, Tech Japan, and other companies also. 4 people were there, so they were sharing their insights and people were asking them questions. So somebody asked a question that should we focus on language, like Japanese language, or should we focus on technology? What should we focus more on? So there was one guy, Premandar was the name, I think, if I am spelling it right. So let me tell you all that what he answered. So he said that if you focus on language, so no matter how much you excel in language, there will be a certain bracket to which you have to stop. Your salary will stop. Like you can't go beyond a certain point. But if you keep excelling yourself in IT field, some technology, like different technologies, or one technology, and you become expert in that, so that is where you are going to grow your salary. Try using different technologies, keep excelling in different technologies, and that's the way you can increase your salary. So maybe a lot of you would be having that question, so I answered you what an expert had answered to some other person. Though you didn't attend that event, but I am there to tell you. I hope it is helpful for you also. And if you have any other questions, you can let me know in the comment section. My cycle is ready, so I'm going to take my cycle, and I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and have fun.